to make a noun plural. Already I have explained you singular noun and plural noun, but there are some rules which you have to follow in order to convert a noun to plural. So the first rule is here, you can simply add s. To make a noun plural, you can add s. As you can see in the previous video, the word girl. We have just added s to that and we have made it plural, that is girls. We have just made it plural by adding s to that. So you can simply add s in order to make plural. Then another rule we will go now, that is you have to add es. In order to make plural, add es. But to which words you will add es? If the word is ending with, students, pay attention here while watching it. If the words are ending with x, o, s, ch or sh, then you will add es to that. I'll give an example here. Box, boxes. Then if I write echo, ending with o, it will become echoes. Then if I write s, grass, grass. Sorry, I can make it here. This one we will make it glass. If you are writing a glass, then it will be glasses. If I will write a ch, bunch, then bunches. Sh, brush, that will become brushes. Hope it is clear to you. If the words are ending with these letters, then you have to add es to that. I will go for another thing, that is if I will see y, if I will see y, then what will you add to that? Add s or ies if the letter is ending with a y. Ending with y. In such cases, why have I written here s or ies? If I write here boy, that will become boys. But if I write here army, that will become armies. Hope you can find the difference between both. That is, what's the difference? Let me explain you. Boy. Before y, you can see there is a vowel. O. If the vowel is there, then you have to add simply s. Students, I am telling you clearly. That's why understand it. You will not convert y to ies if there is a vowel in between. You can see here there is a vowel, that is o. That's why I have added only s. But here there is no vowel before y. That's why I have removed y and I have written here ies. So in this way you can make the noun plural if it is ending with the y. There are also words which ends with the, we will add ves or sometimes s is added, but mostly we don't write s to that. If ending with the F-E. If it is ending with F-E, so you will add V-E-S. Hardly we put S. If I write here, knife. So, how shall you make it a plural? That is knives. I have completely removed F-E. Completely removed F-E and I have written V-E-S. As you can see here, Y was there. I have completely removed Y and I have written I-E-S. In the same way, here I have completely removed F-E. I have written V-E-S. So in this way, you can convert a singular word to plural word. There are also some other words which you might be getting the confusion in converting it. Suppose, let me clear this much. I hope it is clear to you. Now I will go for the other one. That is, you can add en or ERN also. To make plural, add en or ERN. How will you do it? Just let me tell you where we add such words. Suppose you are writing brother. Brother will become brethren.